Hi everyone, my name is Alvaro from Lash Palace, and many of you have asked me to create a walkthrough video for absolute affiliate beginners. And this is what I'm doing today. We will cover several sections in this video, which I'm going to come to in a few minutes. We are a beauty brand, a high quality beauty brand with salons, beauty salons in Marbella, Spain, and in Miami, Florida. We will open 2 more salons in the beginning of 2025, one in New York and one in Milan. We're also planning to open another salon in London by mid of next year. Our products are products for consumers, for final consumers, and for businesses. Our products are basically everything that is related to beauty products, which I'm going to show you now. On our shop, you will see that we have several different products that are related to eyelash extensions, shampoos, cleanser, cosmetic products, and more. We have high quality lamps that are allowing salon owners or a beauty salon artist to perform an eyelash extension service and cure or dry the glue for the eyelashes in 1 second. We have the adhesives, the glues that we sell, they're high quality products. Again, all these products are all made in Spain, in Italy, in Germany, in Switzerland, in Japan, and in South Korea. And they're all our own brand. It took several years for research and development to create all these products, and now we're going to start selling them to all our customers, either businesses or, as I said, final customers as well. Now, on this YouTube video, you're going to be able to go through the different sections that we will speak about. On the bottom of the descriptions, you will see the timestamps that you can click on them if you want to jump over certain sections so that you can go to the specific section that is relevant to you. Now, in this video, we will cover 10 different topics. Number 1, what is affiliate marketing and how does it work? What are the different kinds of affiliates out there and what options do they have? What is the difference between multi-level marketing and affiliate marketing? We will speak about how affiliates can get paid. What is it that we're offering as Lash Palace to you as an affiliate? We will talk about the dashboard that we specifically have and built into this website here. We will talk about how can you generate traffic to make money and basically use the affiliate links and generate sales. We'll talk about social media. We will talk about specific tools that you can use that are either free or paid to create content. And we will talk about the tools and systems that we have set up internally for you as an affiliate to basically learn and an arsenal to download content to be able to use it. We've talked about a lot of these things in previous videos that I have posted that are embedded within the website that you have access to, but we will go into these specific tools in detail again.